Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a gorgeous Haulmark that we have in stock. It's a 2018 Haulmark 8.5 by 24 ALX. ALX is their all aluminum line. You've got a full aluminum frame underneath this trailer, which will cut your weight significantly. This one's in a smooth skin exterior as well, so you guys can see a silver front, black back. You've got the polished aluminum strip to divide the two. You've got the black accents on the top as well as the bottom, and then the big polished corners. This is an absolutely beautiful trailer in person. This one also comes with the big, huge side premium escape door. That premium escape door allows us to have a removable interior fender, makes this trailer perfect for Jeeps and buggies, for the bigger vehicles that you need more interior height and width for. This trailer is set up for that. Again, full aluminum 6-inch heavy duty frame, so great car hauler, buggy hauler, or toy hauler, whatever you guys want to use this thing for. This one is stock number 14252. Weight of this trailer is only 3,500 pounds, where your standard steel trailer will weigh anywhere between 4,000 or 5,000 pounds. So again, cuts quite a bit of towing weight for you guys. Here's the other side with your side door. You have a nice big side door with an RV lock and a full pull-out aluminum step, which you guys can see right there. Two 5,200-pound torsion axles with brakes on all four wheels, black aluminum wheels as well. Torsion axles are going to give you guys that independent suspension underneath the trailer, and then by spreading that axle apart, it gives you guys an optimal towing experience. It pretty much is as good as it gets in the trailer world. Again, with the spread axle package, you also get the really cool skirting on the trailer, which is what you guys can see right there. Heavy-duty drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath the rear of the trailer for loading and unloading. I'm going to take a peek here at the back of the trailer. The really cool triple strip tail lights. You also have the really good high quality latches here at the back to open and close this rear ramp door. And this rear ramp door is extremely light because of the all aluminum construction, and Haulmark just does a great job with their rear ramp doors. We're going to go in the side door and take a peek inside. Sorry, we have the kitties following us around today. Again, huge side door. I think this is a 48-inch side door. Back side of that RV lock does have a lock and latch and a set of keys. Coming inside the trailer here, (7' 6" interior height. So that's going to give you guys the extra rear ramp door space that you guys need. This is going to have about a 7'3" rear door opening. And then here's your huge escape door again. You pull that escape door up, it turns into an awning for you, and then this fender will pull up as well. So that'll give you guys that extra width. If you have Jeeps and buggies like we do, you can pull them right in here. You drive right over the tires, and it gives you guys that extra width, like I said, to get the bigger vehicles in and out of here. You also have a 3-inch dovetail at the rear, so that's what's going to give us the full 7'3" rear door opening. Transition flap as well, so if you guys have low profile vehicles, this is another awesome trailer for you guys. You've got the transition flap, you've got a flap here from trailer to ramp, as well as the dovetail. So you're gonna have a nice, easy angle coming into the trailer. And then with being able to remove this fender, if you guys have a low profile car, you'll be able to clear that fender, because essentially we're gonna remove it, and you'll be able to open up your car door and get in and out of it as well. So great race trailer or nice car trailer as well. Full Nudo floor with Drymax, so you essentially have a waterproof floor in this unit, and then you also have the vinyl wall and ceiling liner. Couple of overhead roof vents, overhead LED lights as well. You've got a toggle switch right here to turn your lights on and off. Couple more tie-down points right here. And as well as radial tires, one-piece aluminum roof. And again, that smooth skin exterior is done in an 040 aluminum, so you've got a thicker aluminum skin as well. And here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, we'd love to earn your business as always. We're family owned and operated and offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state of Colorado. We do have shipping options available for you guys as well, so if you're not able to come here, that's okay. We can help you arrange to get the product delivered right to you. You can call to inquire about that, and you can reach us at 303-688-8485, or you can check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com.